Gusmer Enterprises is proud to be the North American representative for the CDR BeerLab.
My name is Alex Martin. I am the senior chemist here at Whiskey House of Kentucky. I started out in the pharmaceutical business, so I was a lab tech and then instrument specialist for a pharmaceutical company in Chicago. I did that for about 10 years, decided that making whiskey sounds a lot more fun, so moved to Kentucky and I started my position as a chemist at Barton 1792. Learned a lot about the industry there, and then transferred over here to Whiskey House of Kentucky as their senior chemist. Our overall impression of the CDR BeerLab is that it's very user-friendly. The firmware is very nice to use. It guides you through the testing. The testing kits are perfect one-stop shop. They are named specifically within the firmware, so you know exactly what test you're going to perform, matching the test kit that you have. It's very easy for inventory as well. It's a one-stop shop, so you're able to purchase the kit and then everything that you need is in that kit. As long as you have your micropipetters, you're good to go. We also at Whiskey House are looking for perfect aesthetic. So it was a sleek instrument, it fit very well with the rest of the lab, it's a neutral color, it's a very small footprint, so if you don't have a lot of space in a distillery, it's a perfect option. The CDR BeerLab impacts our analytical workflow in a real-time basis. So we're able to make real-time decisions as the fermenting process is happening. It's a good accompaniment to the HPLC, but if you don't have an HPLC, it is a great way to keep on top of what's happening. So you can determine what's good, what's bad, and how to adjust as you're going. Very quick test kits and very quick results. The ease of use for the CDR BeerLab is very user-friendly. You would not have to be a full scientist to be able to run this instrument. The firmware guides you through every step within the test kit. The test kits are labeled very clear for you to know what you were supposed to be doing. So I could see this also making its way onto a production floor. Your distillery operators would be able to do that with just very minimal micropipette training. The CDR BeerLab accompanies our analytical methods through the HPLC. So we do a lot of fermentable sugars and FAN, the free amino acids. So we're able to run the initial test on the BeerLab that gives us a rough estimate on a number, if we're good, if we're bad, if we're where we're supposed to be in the fermentation. And then we're able to accompany that with the HPLC data that gives us the specific sugars and the specific concentrations that we are looking for. I would recommend the CDR BeerLab to any other distillery that might not have a full quality lab or a full quality team. It is very user-friendly, so it can go on a production floor in a distillery. It does not have to be used in a lab. Also for any distillery that might not have the resources for something like an HPLC, you can get the same results and things that you are looking for with the CDR BeerLab. Our technical support relationship with Gusmer has been very helpful. They are very responsive to any of our questions that we have. The test kits are very easy to order. They come in a very timely manner, so we're never lost on using the kits or have any downtime. They were also very helpful with our initial setup. They did a Zoom call with my technicians and walked through every single test kit that we wanted to run in our lab. And they felt very confident once they were able to use the instrument and have that professional help from Gusmer themselves.
For more information, go to gusmerenterprises.com. Click on Contact Your Rep on the top menu and then choose your state. The technical sales representative in your region will then be selected. Gusmer Enterprises, service with knowledge since 1924.